The executive governors here present, former governors, the national secretary, the members of the caretaker committee, members of the strategy and contact committee, chief of staff, party chieftains and stakeholders, ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen of the press. I am delighted to have you here once again in our collective drive to recover, rebuild, and reposition our party, the All Progressives Congress. Let me use this opportunity to specially appreciate all stakeholders, party chieftains, and our members nationwide for the cooperation and support you have extended to the Caretaker Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee since inception. I'm glad to state with sense of satisfaction that the committee has within this period made tremendous achievements through genuine reconciliations and settling irreconcilable differences among critical stakeholders of the party. As I said earlier, if you don't manage your crisis will manage you. I am happy to say that the all-inclusive policy adopted by the Caretaker Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee has carried out stakeholders on board through appointments into various committees to contribute in the task of rebuilding the party. This has no doubt supported the committee's work in managing the crisis that bedeviled the party. I am glad to say that the support and cooperation extended to the committee translated into massive return of our key members and their supporters who earlier jettisoned the party. On the other hand, our efforts in winning members of other political parties into the APC recorded remarkable and unprecedented success. Today, we are proud of the growing numbers of very influential politicians and their supporters who have joined the APC. Another major milestone we have recorded as a party is the membership registration and revalidation exercise. The exercise is conducted to establish the numerical strength of the party to provide a guide in our planning processes. It also provides every member with a true sense of belonging and ownership of the party. It is our belief that the membership registration and revalidation exercise will promote the bottom-to-top policy agitated for the party. Similarly, the committee took the bold step of reviewing the party's constitution to take care of ambiguous positions and loopholes that have caused confusion and controversies over the years. This will make our party dynamic and to be in tune with changing times. The constitution of the Strategy and Contact Committee, therefore, is to consolidate these achievements and the task of building a strong party with a solid structure that will accomplish APC to stand the test of time. Our vision is to provide a will that will drive the party to go beyond 7, 8, 9, or 7 terms of office. When we succeed in doing this, APC will definitely achieve more than what it is expected to improve the lives of Nigerians and make Nigeria a great country. This committee is therefore very key to our transition process towards successful congresses and national convention, and to establish a very solid, reputable, and reliable future for the party. The high-powered committee is to be chaired by His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Jigawa State, Alhaji Badaru Abubakar. Your Excellencies, distinguished personalities, as chairman and members of this committee, you are carefully selected based on your personal competence and selfless commitment to the development of our party. The party is confident that you will collectively execute this assignment successfully with a high sense of responsibility. Let me also state that the composition of membership of this committee is not done on a state-by-state basis. It is a selection based on merit and competence. The party has a lot more opportunities to consider others who are not on this committee for appointment into our subsequent engagements to contribute their quota to the development of our party. The terms of reference for the committee includes to establish constructive engagements between critical stakeholders at various levels of the party with a view to reviving confidence and trust among party leaders. To conduct a need assessment survey from party members and the general public. To create statement of vision, mission, and core values of the party that would foster unity. To develop strategies that will reposition the party in an advantage position in the public domain. Develop a timeline and framework for the implementation of the recommendation of the committee. Co-opt such members as may be deemed most suitable. Submit periodic reports to the national chairman. I wish to assure you that the doors of the Caretaker Extraordinary Committee are always open to support your committee to achieve the set targets. With these remarks, it is now my singular honor and pleasure to inaugurate the Strategy and Contact Committee. I thank you all.